Hello, you lovely lot, and welcome back to the Body Make and Health Management channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me today as we dive into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to optimize their health, fitness, and overall well-being. Today we share some insights and practical tips, and today we're talking all about protein, the building block of life. We're going to explore why it's so vital for our bodies and how we can strategically use it to achieve our fitness goals. We all know protein is important. It's a word we hear all the time in the fitness world, but you eat it can make a real difference to your energy, helping you power through those tough workouts and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Recovery, aiding in muscle repair and reducing soreness after exercise and results, ultimately contributing to the progress you see in the mirror and the strength you feel in your body. Think of it like fueling your car before a journey. Timing matters. You wouldn't wait until the tank is empty, would you? Whether you want to build muscle, sculpting that physique you've always dreamed of, recover faster, bouncing back quickly after intense training sessions, or just feel fuller for longer, keeping those cravings at bay and supporting a healthy weight, getting your protein timing right is a game changer. It's the secret weapon that can unlock your full potential. In this guide, I'll break it down simply. No jargon, just practical tips you can use today. We'll cut through the confusion and get straight to the strategies that work. We'll cover what to eat before, fueling your body for peak performance and after workouts, replenishing those depleted stores and kickstarting the recovery process. How to spread protein through your day, ensuring a steady supply of amino acids for optimal muscle health, and why a little before bed can help. Yes, even while you sleep, protein can be working its magic. This isn't about strict rules, it's about making smart choices that fit your lifestyle. It's about finding a sustainable approach that you can stick to long-term. Ready? Let's get stuck in. I'm excited to embark on this protein-packed journey with you. Chapter 1. The Pre-Workout Boost. Alright, let's dive into the world of pre-workout fueling. It's a game changer when it comes to maximizing your gym time and seeing real results. Having a bit of protein before you train gives your muscles a head start with the amino acids they need. Think of it as prepping your muscles for the challenge ahead. This can help reduce muscle breakdown during your workout, which is crucial for recovery and growth. Plus, it can significantly boost your stamina so you get more from every single set and rep. You'll be pushing harder and lasting longer than ever before. The trick is to keep it light and easy to digest. You don't want your body working overtime to process a heavy meal when it should be focusing on your workout. For example, think Greek yogurt with berries. It's packed with protein and antioxidants, and it's super easy on your stomach. Or, a small protein shake is another great option. It's quick, convenient, and delivers a concentrated dose of protein right when you need it. And let's not forget a couple of boiled eggs. They're a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, keeping you feeling full and energized. Aim to eat this snack about 60-90 minutes before you start your workout. This gives your body enough time to digest the food and absorb the nutrients, so you can reap the full benefits. When you time it right, you'll feel stronger, more energized, and ready to smash your workout. It's like giving yourself a natural performance enhancer. Remember, it's not about a heavy meal that will weigh you down, just a smart, strategic snack to fuel your performance and help you push your limits. Try incorporating this before your next session and notice the difference it makes in your energy levels and overall performance. It's a simple habit that can make your workouts feel significantly more productive and rewarding. Give it a go and see how much better you feel, not just during your workout but afterwards too. You might be surprised at the positive impact it has on your recovery and overall fitness journey. Chapter 2. Myth or must-do? Now let's dive into the world of post-workout nutrition and talk about the famous anabolic window. This concept has been a cornerstone of fitness advice for years, but is it really as crucial as we once thought? We're going to explore the science behind it and separate fact from fiction. Understanding this window can help you optimize your recovery and maximize your gains, but it's important to have the right information. You might have heard that you absolutely need to consume protein within a strict 30-minute window after your workout, or all your hard-earned gains will simply vanish, a race against the clock to replenish your muscles. This idea suggests that if you miss this narrow time frame, your body won't be able to effectively utilize the protein for muscle repair and growth. But that's old news. A fitness myth that's been largely debunked by modern research. The idea of such a rigid and limited window is no longer considered accurate. Science now shows that you actually have a much more generous window of a few hours to get your post-workout protein intake in. This expanded time frame allows for more flexibility and less stress when it comes to planning your post-workout nutrition. The focus has shifted from a frantic rush to a more relaxed and sustainable approach. So, there's no need to panic or feel pressured to immediately down a protein shake the second you finish your last rep. Just aim to consume a balanced meal containing both protein and carbohydrates within a couple of hours after your workout. This approach allows you to prioritize whole foods and enjoy a more satisfying and nutritious post-workout experience. This strategic timing helps your muscles effectively repair and grow stronger while also replenishing your depleted energy stores. Providing your body with the necessary nutrients after exercise is crucial for optimizing recovery and preparing you for your next workout. It's about fueling your body to perform at its best. Great options to consider: grilled chicken breast paired with sweet potato and a medley of colorful vegetables is an excellent choice, or a hearty lentil and quinoa salad if you're following a vegetarian or plant-based diet. Both options provide a good source of protein and complex carbohydrates. The key is to prioritize refueling with real whole foods whenever possible, rather than relying solely on protein shakes or supplements. Whole foods offer a wider range of nutrients and benefits that contribute to overall health and well-being. So, relax, take your time, and truly enjoy your post-workout meal. Focus on savoring the flavors and nourishing your body. Let your body recover and rebuild at its own pace. The pressure to eat immediately is off, but the benefits of proper post-workout nutrition are still absolutely huge. By fueling your body effectively, you're setting yourself up for continued progress and success in your fitness journey. Make your post-workout meal count by choosing nutrient-rich options that support your fitness goals. Chapter 3. Protein all day long. Next up, spreading your protein throughout the day. Don't just load up at dinner, aim for a good source of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This keeps your muscles supplied with amino acids and helps you feel full, so you're less likely to snack on junk. Try eggs or porridge with nuts for breakfast, chicken or lentil salad for lunch, and salmon or tofu with veggies for dinner. Each meal should have 20-30 grams of protein. This approach keeps your energy steady and supports muscle growth. It's not complicated, just add a protein source to every meal. Consistency is key for results. Make it a habit and you'll notice the difference in how you feel. Simple, effective, and totally doable. Chapter 4. Protein before bed. Let's talk about protein before bed, the nighttime hero. A small protein-rich snack before sleep can help your muscles recover overnight. Go for slow-digesting protein like casein, found in cottage cheese or milk. This gives your body a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep, helping you wake up stronger and less sore. Keep it light, about 150-200 calories is plenty. If you're dairy-free, try a casein protein shake with almond milk. This final snack is the cherry on top of your daily nutrition. It's a simple way to maximize recovery and muscle growth. Add it to your routine and see the benefits. Your muscles will thank you in the morning. Chapter 5. What if I'm not an athlete? Does timing still matter? Not training for a marathon? Protein timing still matters. Even if you just want more energy or to lose a bit of weight, spreading protein through your day helps control hunger and supports muscle. A protein-rich breakfast keeps you full, so you're less likely to snack. As we age, protein helps preserve muscle and keeps your metabolism firing. You don't need to be perfect, just aim for protein at each meal. After light exercise, a balanced meal still helps your body recover. It's about awareness, not obsession. When you eat can be just as important as what you eat. Make it work for your lifestyle and goals. That's it, team. Protein timing isn't just for athletes, it's for everyone who wants to feel stronger, recover faster, and manage hunger. Quick recap snack on protein before workouts, refuel after, spread it through your meals, and add a little before bed. These small habits add up to big results. Start simple, maybe a protein-packed breakfast or a light snack before bed. Consistency beats perfection every time. I hope this makes protein timing feel easy and achievable. Share this with friends who want to feel their best and follow for more tips. Your body is amazing. Fuel it right and see what you can achieve. Thanks for joining me. Keep smashing those goals. See you next time.